Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And I was in the process of trying to do some maintenance on one of my NVMe drives, which is the Western Digital Blue SN570. I'm using the Western Digital Dashboard program, which is shown here, which is free to download from westerndigital.com. Now if you have a Western Digital drive installed in your computer, then this program can inform you about the status of your Western Digital drives, how they are performing, the temperature of each of the drives, how much space is available, life remaining, and other information. Upon opening the Western Digital Dashboard program, it notified me that there was a firmware update for the Western Digital Blue SN570 drive, and that the information should be backed up before updating to prevent data loss, which can happen with any update. But I didn't know which drive was that drive due to my having so many drives installed in my computer. I found myself literally searching for it. However, there are steps that can help you find that specific drive you're looking for. So what you want to do is, step 1, click on the search icon at the bottom of the taskbar. And type in Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, click on the down arrow on the disk drives icon. You will see a list of all drives installed in your computer. Next, look for the Western Digital Blue SN570 1TB drive. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Volumes tab. Now, click on Populate. Not only will you see the product name of the drive, but the custom name you gave the drive will also be displayed. This will show for any drive installed in your computer. Now that I know which is the Western Digital Blue drive, I can back up or temporarily move files on this drive over to another drive until I complete the firmware update and not risk any of my data being lost. So I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.